Are you getting bored with your morning routine? Well, here's a suggestion. Try clove tea. It's not just a tasty drink, it also comes with some surprising benefits. This warm and aromatic tea can help with hangovers and even give your skin a youthful boost. Watch the video to learn all about the fantastic advantages of clove tea. And don't forget to treat yourself to a cup using the recipe in the video description. Get healthier with us. Click subscribe and turn on notifications for incredible tips. Now, let us discover all the fantastic things clove tea can do for you. 10. Regulate blood sugar level. Studies suggest that the compounds in cloves, like eugenol, could help control blood sugar levels. In studies with mice having diabetes, clove extract helped control rising blood sugar. Another study with human muscle cells in diabetic mice discovered that cloves and nigiricin, a compound in cloves, improved how cells absorb sugar, increased insulin production, and made insulin producing cells work better. Insulin is a hormone that moves blood sugar from the blood to cells, keeping blood sugar levels steady. Think of clove tea as a good friend that boosts your liver's abilities even more. Enjoying a daily cup of clove tea could be a simple way to keep harmful toxins at bay. Clove tea contains substances that tell your liver to produce more bile, a vital liquid that helps break down and get rid of toxins from your body. Also, clove tea can make your liver work better overall, making it better at removing toxins and waste. By adding clove tea to your routine, you're giving your liver the support it needs, helping it clean your body and stay healthy. When combined with a healthy diet, cloves might help control your blood sugar levels. 9. Reduce stomach ulcers. Stomach ulcers, also called peptic ulcers, are painful sores that form inside your stomach or the upper part of your small intestine. They happen when the protective lining in your stomach weakens because of things like stress, a bacterial infection called Helicobacter pylori, using certain pain medicines for a long time, or even because of your family history. The research looked into how cloves might help treat these ulcers. It found that clove tea could help make more stomach mucus. This mucus is like a protective shield for your stomach lining, helping to stop digestive acids from hurting it and preventing ulcers. Another study showed that clove extract could help treat stomach ulcers. It acted a bit like some medicines used to treat ulcers, which means it might be effective as a different or extra treatment. This suggests that clove might protect and heal your stomach lining, which could help deal with stomach ulcers. 8. Improve dental health. Clove is great for toothaches and dental pain because it has an active ingredient called eugenol that eases pain and swelling. It's handy for quick relief and works well in a first aid kit for dental problems. But it's not just a quick fix. Clove oil can also fight the germs that cause tooth decay and gum issues. Modern studies agree that clove is good for teeth. They found that using mouthwash with clove oil reduces plaque and gum swelling. Another study showed that a mouthwash with clove works just as well as one with chlorhexidine, a common germ-killing ingredient, in reducing plaque and gum swelling. This shows how helpful clove is in keeping teeth healthy. 7. Improve digestive health. Clove tea is like a superhero for digestion. Eugenol is the secret behind its digestive magic. Eugenol helps your body make more digestive enzymes, which break down the food you eat and make it easier for your tummy to handle. Plus, when you sip clove tea, that cozy and warm flavor helps calm the muscles in your stomach, making digestion smoother. But wait, there's more. Clove tea is a true hero for stomach issues like feeling sick or bloated. Studies show that clove extract can calm down the swelling in your stomach and gut, making you feel better when you're queasy or might throw up. So think of clove tea as your stomach's best friend, making sure digestion goes smoothly and giving you relief when your tummy's upset. 6. Strengthens immune system. Clove tea is a fantastic boost for our immune system. As we age, having a powerful immune system is crucial, and clove tea helps with that. It's packed with antioxidants, which act like shields, protecting our cells from harmful molecules called free radicals. These free radicals can damage our cells and weaken our immune system. Clove tea also has the power to fight off microbes that try to make us sick. When harmful bacteria, viruses, or fungi attempt to cause trouble, clove tea steps in. A study backs this up, showing that cloves are effective against different strains of bacteria. So when these invaders threaten your well being, clove tea acts as a superhero, providing that extra boost your immune system needs. 5. Fever. Dealing with fevers can be unpleasant, but here's a simple solution: have a cup of clove tea daily. The tea contains magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which work together to combat bacterial infections. Additionally, clove tea acts as a potent antipyretic, meaning it can lower your body temperature. This not only helps ease the fever, but also gives your immune system a boost, creating a win win situation for your health. Eugenol, found in clove oil, is a natural helper for reducing fever, similar to medicines. Think of it working in a way similar to acetaminophen, a common fever medication, but with the bonus of being natural and without the usual side effects. So, sipping on clove tea might be a gentler way to soothe those feverish feelings. 4. Enhances sound and peaceful sleep. Discover how cloves and their active part, eugenol, can help improve sleep. A study in 2012 found that eugenol has a calming effect on the brain, which might help you sleep better. Another study showed that eugenol can reduce anxiety, something that often affects sleep. Also, drinking a warm cup of clove tea before bedtime can make you feel cozy and relaxed, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Enjoy the soothing experience of clove tea for better and more peaceful sleep. 3. Improves respiratory health. You can breathe easier with clove tea. Cloves have expectorant properties that can help clear congestion and relieve respiratory issues like coughs, colds, and asthma. When you sip a cup of clove tea, the warm and aromatic steam provides soothing relief for your airways, making breathing a breeze. Cloves' antimicrobial properties make it an excellent choice for freshening the air. By adding cloves to a spray bottle and spritzing the air, you not only introduce a pleasant scent, but also antimicrobial and antibacterial benefits, creating a healthier breathing environment. This is especially true for clove oil, which can be used to treat asthma. It has a calming effect on the respiratory tract and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Enhances blood circulation. Good blood flow is essential for staying healthy. Clove tea works like a natural helper for improving how blood moves around your body. When your blood flows better, it helps things like making your skin look and feel better and keeping your blood sugar and cholesterol level under control. Having a cup of clove tea means its active ingredients help carry oxygen and essential nutrients to your body's organs through your blood. This makes your organs work better and keeps you healthy. 1. Promotes better bone health. Ensuring our bones stay strong is crucial, especially as we grow older. Around 40 million older adults in the United States deal with low bone mass, making them more prone to conditions like osteoporosis, where bones become weak, and fractures, which are broken bones. We often hear about older neighbors experience falls and breaking bones. Certain compounds in cloves, like eugenol, help keep our bones strong, as shown in studies with animals. One study found that clove extract with eugenol significantly improved markers of osteoporosis, making bones denser. Cloves are also rich in manganese, a vital mineral for bone formation and overall bone health. In a 12-week study using a manganese supplement with animals, there was an increase in bone mineral density and growth. While most research on cloves and bone health come from studies with animals and in labs, these findings suggest possible benefits for keeping human bones healthy. Ground cloves aren't just for baking or adding flavor to Indian food. When you make tea by mixing cloves with boiling water, it creates a delicious drink that can make you healthier. Like most healthy foods, cloves work best when you eat them regularly as part of a balanced diet. Try to use cloves a few times a week in your meals. You can use ground cloves in a lot of dishes. They give a special taste to sweets, curries, and chutneys. And if you want a soothing cup of clove tea, just boil whole cloves in water for a few minutes. Whether you use cloves to make a unique dish or a nice cup of tea, you'll enjoy the warm, spicy flavor and the many ways it helps keep you healthy. Don't miss out on leveling up your health game. Hit the like button to show your support and join our community of wellness warriors on this journey to a healthier you. Unlock wellness with a cup of clove tea each day.